Hello and welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Blake, this is Rachel, and this is the place you come for your campsite reviews and your tips and tricks, hacks and mods to make your camping adventures more fun, less stressful, and just making those lasting memories with family and friends.
Today we have an announcement.
Da-da-da-da.
I have alluded to it in the past, but we are going to do a camper remodel over the winter. Hopefully we don't get too backed up with bad weather. It's just going to all depend. But here is the announcement. Quite honestly, I don't think anyone's done this before. If you have, give me some tips and tricks. I need them. I have a vision.
She has a vision.
A log cabin.
We're dreaming of a cabin in the woods.
We're dreaming of a cabin in the woods. We're going to take it with us. It's a pop-up camper cabin. How will she do it?
It's a tiny home.
It is a tiny home.
Camper trailer.
With canvas and large picturesque windows. So I have a lot of cool ideas that I'm going to share with you over the next few months. If you have ideas, throw them at me because I am just going to figure it out. We haven't done anything like this before, and honestly, we like our camper the way it is. I just have some really cool ideas that I want to try out. And so,
give it a shot.
Why not?
See what happens.
My goal is to get it all done for under $600.
Okay.
And my goal is to be done by spring. By your birthday. We'll see. Happy birthday.
Yes, dear.
Alright, thank you for watching Adventures in Pop-Ups. This has been a brief announcement.
Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned for our log cabin on wheels.
If you haven't subscribed, now would be a good time. And don't forget to smash that like button on the way out.
Yes, and tell your friends.
And again, Happy New Year.
And happy camping.